Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to take screen capture in Excel. So let's start this in my Excel. Just go to the insert tab in illustration group. Just click on the screenshot option and you can see here the available window is showing the one Chrome browser page. Okay. When I click on the screen clipping, it's automatically open this available window. Okay. When I click on the screen clipping, see here the available window is open, and just click and drag the outline, the area that you want to have a screenshot, and then just release the mouse button and that's it. And here you can see the screen capture is added in your selected Excel file. Okay. With this, the picture format also tap add it. You can change here the picture style. You just click on it and you can change here the different picture style. You can use here the another option also. You can just drag and decrease the size of the screen capture. If you want to crop this, just go to the picture formats. In size group, click on the crop option. Click on the crop first one, and you can easily crop your screen capture also. Okay, see here, I just crop this. See, and just click. That's it. You can see, you can easily crop this screen capture. Okay, you can use the pictures borders option also. You can see different border also, pictures effects also you can use. See the changes. Okay. And the other option also you can use. If you want to remove the background, you can use here remove background. Here the background is totally white, so therefore I'm not using this option. Okay, you can change the size also in size group. Okay, so this is a way you can take the screen capture in Excel, and you can use the formatting option also to format that screen capture. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.